final step in finishing your darts is the pressing. And with the single pointed dart, what you want to do is press flat the way you sewed it, but not pressing down the point, past the point. Then take your tailor's ham, or if you don't have one, a rolled up towel, and then you're going to press. Now the direction matters in a garment. It would be down or towards the center. For the sample, it doesn't matter. So what we're going to do is press this, press out. We don't want to press in a pucker, and then we'll turn it over and press it this way too. And you can see that we have pressed our dart. With the two-pointed dart, the contour dart, what you need to do is clip in the center first so that it will allow it to fold both ways. If you're afraid that you might clip through the point, just put a pin right there. And you can do that anytime you're afraid you might go through the center. So you want to clip to the point, and then once again you're going to press it flat the way you sewed it, and then press it. And because this isn't an actual garment, it doesn't matter which side you press it to, but we're going to press both of them the same way. And we want to make sure we don't get a pucker at the point or a crease. But what you can see is that by pressing it, it gives that curve. Okay? And you would press it that way. Now, to hand these in, it's really hard to hand them in and keep them flat. So what you can do is, on the assignment sheet, just like so. And remember, that's the evaluation sheet. Now, to just review a little bit, this is a quarter scale bodice pattern, and you can see the dart right here. And here would be the marking for the dart on the bodice. This would be pinned and ready to stitch. This would be stitched with a point and a back stitch. This would be pressed downward, because that's the direction that darts go, downward or toward the center. This is a two-pointed dart, a contour dart, that would be at the waistline, either at the front or the back of a garment, and it's pressed towards the center. This would be the center. Now, before we finish, we're going to take a look at our vest, and I've done both of these. So once again, you want to press flat the way you sewed it, and I'm pressing, not ironing. Flat the way you sewed it. And then you want to press towards the center. Both of these will go in towards the center. Now, at the very top, what I do want to use again is that towel, so I don't get a pucker at the point. You want that to be smooth. And this one, remember, also goes towards the center. And that just keeps it from pressing down. Okay? And those darts are both pressed towards the center. Now, I'm pressing on a pressing mat, not on my table. That wouldn't be a very good idea. So this is an ironing mat to protect my table. And that's all there is to making your darts.